Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirjana from Leo Tales, and in today's video we will be quickly looking through a haul that I did recently. It's a western wear haul where I picked up dress, shrug, etc. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first top is by the brand Style Quotient. So this is plain stripes, but what I like is it's black, cream, then there is this green color as well, dark green. So it's not purely black and white or zebra stripes, and it has a waist tying pattern. And this is also very unique because you can tie on the front, it's supposed to be on the side, or you can even tie behind. So in all these ways we can use it. And the sleeves are really nice. It's not balloon sleeves, not too big, but 3/4 like. And also you can pair it up with jeans or with like jeggings or even with a skirt. You can use it comfortably. It's very stylish, very affordable, and I think overall it looks really nice. It will look nice on any structure. The second top I picked is actually from Plus S brand. Now Plus S isn't exactly all 5XL, 6XL, etc. It even starts from LXL, so you might find something there. So what I like the most about this top first is this pattern around the neck and the onion pink color. It's such a beautiful muted color. A lot of people liked it. The sleeves are also really pretty. It has some lace pattern here. It has buttons, but sometimes this buttons is a little too tight for me, so I don't usually wear it. Even the color of the buttons is really pretty. So the backside is not plain. Backside also has the same pattern going on, and the sleeves has such nice window-like design. Overall, this top is my favorite. It was love at first sight, and when I wore it, I loved it even more. It is so cute, so feminine, and something that everyone must have because of its color at least. The next one I picked is actually a jegging. It's like a tummy tucker jegging basically. It has this very wide waistband. Also, I feel that jeggings which stretch well are much more comfortable than jeans, even if you are not a plus size person. That's my opinion anyway. So I picked the shade black, and it has this faded pattern here going on, but it's not very visible. So it doesn't have any belt loops or anything, so you have to pick it as per your size. So the best part is when I received it, I thought the hip area may not fit, but because it is stretchable, it fits really well. It is an ankle length one, and my height is around 5'8", so I think about 5'5" to 5'8", if that's your height, it will be ankle length. Otherwise, it is going to be full length. The tummy tucker part makes it very comfortable if you want to wear this throughout the day, because jeans can be quite tiring that way. The next outfit I picked is basically a sleeveless dress, and along with that I also picked up a shrug. I'll show you the shrug. But so what I like about the dress is it's like a cotton blend material. It is quite opaque, that is something, and it has an elastic band just under the bust, so it gives that good structure. It's like a strap dress. You can adjust the straps, so if you want to wear it as it is fine, but I sort of prefer to wear it with a shrug. And this particular dress is around calf length for me, and so it can actually act as a full length maxi dress also for you depending on your height. So this is the shrug that I picked with the dress. I picked it because I wanted a white shrug, but I did not want something very plain also, so I picked this beautiful lacy shrug. I did not want an entire lace design also, because the chances of wear and tear is very high there. So this just has a lace pattern in the front. It is so soft. You can actually pull up the sleeves if you would like to. The material is so soft, you don't even feel like you're wearing something. It was quite neat, quite opaque in its own way. Such a beautiful shrug that you can get in this price point. So next is this t-shirt. This literally shouts haha to me. So this is from Clovia, and Clovia is available on Amazon as well. So it says hell yes, and it is a hoodie. So what I like the most is obviously it's like a long t-shirt. You can wear it when you're going out depending on what kind of people you are with. The sleeves is like 3/4. You can wear it with jeans. I was looking for something like this, like a long t-shirt. The hoodie is not something that I might use in summers, but it's quite stylish nevertheless. It also comes with 2 pockets, so that's also convenient. Quality of this material, it's kind of thick actually, so it can be a good lounge wear. It's quite thick, but not too thick, like sweater-like material. I love the quality of this one. I've washed it several times. The print is all perfect. The material is so soft. The color combination of purple, red and black, it's just too cute, and I think it gives out some sort of a statement. You have to decide what sort of a statement, but I think I personally love this t-shirt very much. Next is from this brand called Nudist. I picked up this palazzo, culottes, whatever you want to call it. It has an adjustable waist attachment also. So basically this is not free size. You can pick it up as per your size. It does look quite small, but when you wear it, it stretches out. And what I like is this cutwork pattern. There are so many colors available for this design. I picked black just to, as a test dose, I will be picking more colors. So only thing you have to notice that it's kind of transparent. So if you're planning to wear it with a short top, I'm not too sure. Unless and until you are okay with your leg, thighs down being seen, then it's completely fine. So that is the only thing. But I also feel that if it is attached with the lining, then it becomes thicker, so it doesn't serve the purpose. However, keeping that aside, it's a flowy material. It will look good on all structures. Even if you're plus size, if you're struggling to find the right kind of palazzo fit, then this is something that I will definitely ask you to get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved picking up these designs for me because I'm not someone who wear a lot of Western clothes. I sometimes struggle with the right sizing and everything, but whatever I found in the last 2 months from Amazon, I think the size chart and everything does complete justice, and these are some designs that will look good on almost all structures. It will be very flattering. So let me know what are your thoughts. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will meet again. Until then, take care.